I'll be reviewing the Philips Evnia 34M2C6500, a 34-inch UWQHD OLED curved gaming monitor. If at any point you'd like to explore this monitor and snag it at an excellent price, don't forget to check the links below the video. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite game, with every detail so vivid it feels like you're inside the action. That's exactly what the Philips Evnia 34M2C6500 QD OLED curved gaming monitor offers. This 34-inch ultra-wide curved display isn't just a monitor, it's an experience. Thanks to its QD OLED technology, you get stunning color accuracy, deep blacks, and infinite contrast. Every visual pops with lifelike clarity, making your gaming or multitasking sessions more immersive than ever before. Whether you're exploring vast virtual worlds or working on complex projects, the 3440 by 440 resolution ensures sharp, crystal clear images. But it's not just about looks. The 175Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync provide smooth, tear-free gameplay, eliminating any distractions during intense gaming sessions. And with the USB-C hub, your desk setup gets simplified, offering easy connectivity for all your devices, plus 90 watts power delivery to keep your gadgets charged. While this monitor excels in so many areas, it's important to note its glossy screen may cause some glare in brightly lit environments. However, this minor drawback is easy to manage with proper lighting adjustments. Ready to take your gaming or productivity to the next level? Be sure to check out the links in the description below for the Philips Evnia 34M2C6500 at an amazing price. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.